onesie. Yeah, it's just my best option. I don't really know how it compares to like Tebow.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a
So yeah, it's
spin.
mainly just like my best option, really.
He got his nails cut, so you ain't got your pup cap.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
I'm sure it makes you feel less stressful. Especially when you're doing team, and it really annoying these ones that like
Wake up, little girl.
How many times can I hit one of them?
Good Bear. Come on, Bear. Good job, Bear. Bear's first day on the treadmill. Good job, Bear.
Check the total. 2,561. Yeah, we're actually
Can you love
us? Spending the entire vacation fucking month. So I don't think we're gonna be able
Don't need a food processor anymore.
we can see if we can work something out. Until the beach, we go to the beach in San Diego too. No, it's like a family trip with Katie's family.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
He'd be like, "I'm from San Diego too." I remember a video of you bitching years ago. Oh God. What'd you end up maxing? One time I should do bitching. So the most I ever but I would say the shows was
Можно видеть? Можно видеть?
I'm pretty skinny right now, plus. I was back in the day, though, man. But yeah, I'm pretty skinny right now.
Dorothy, oh.
Wish I could just bottle this up and put it in my pocket, take it out when I'm feeling sad.
I was 3 so that was like the shortest.
Come on. You're a lazy boy. You're lazy. Come on.
What position you play? I was a slot receiver.
One bag. That's what was in the bag. So we call it one bag, and we feel kind of bad for Billy.
I was a RS and a short pass guy, so not a whole lot of options on position. Every type of offense I ever played in, I was some kind of variation of a slot receiver, whether it was like a wing back or a spot slot. Just the go-to spot where they put the short fastball guy.
Swimming! Look at you go! Go! Whoa, what a big swimmer! So good! Look at you!
Good girl.
Especially when your coach is trying to get you the best time, like, you know, they're like, so, like, it's definitely gonna be a weird change, and we're gonna be like, why did they do this? But I do think it's gonna actually end up better. Mainly just the excitement of actually seeing, like, more returns, you know? I don't know why I thought that'd be a good idea. I was like, the thing sucks. I'll be like nipple
하늘 진짜 미쳤다. 엄마 뭐 하지? 쭈니모다. 저기 여기 쭈니모. 얘를 여기 와. 이거야.
Winona escaped from her bag in my car, looked all over for her, and now I find her just head first in the cup holder. So.
Oh wow! It's doggy ice cream! Get a state of my bloody trousers.
I'm assuming that's mainly because the formations are going to be like different for all sides. Compared to how they would line up for like we kicked it. It's all tan.
You're supposed to go in the clean pond. Come on. Let's go.
say
Ooh.
like some good ones were maybe they'd probably do 15 yards half of the return, but these ones. Like they would lose every time. I feel like that probably makes more sense, I guess. I have so many other versions. You really want to have a tanky over your flavorings. Defense is really important in this. So I usually have been recommending that people do barrels first instead of tank armor and then compounds. Just being going for something like arrows. But I would say you still want to get some tank armor with the mounts and then anything else that you might want to go for. You're a Broncos fan? Nah, I'm an Eagles fan, Ramsey.
Nope. Dude, what? How? How? Are there this many of you?
You got his nails cut, so we went and got your book club.
We're 2500 what have I missed? 2500 hydro.
You don't care, do you? Look at this. She's so nosy. She just went, she's like, just show me where the nuts are. Where'd you go? Come here. Come here. Come on. Slow down, too. I want to talk to you. You don't want to talk. You're so, you just want what you want, and that's it. Look. Oh, that was scary. All right, here. Asia, I'm sorry it moved. Come here. That's because you rush. You just come in, get what you want, and get out. If you stop and talk a little, come here.
I just went out louder and just rushed that way.
Asia, look.
This doesn't help your job for to be out louder.
Yeah, you don't even want to talk. Nothing. You.
Miska, what are you doing?
Try and learn chambers on the Iron Man. Is Dragon Warhammer or BGS essential, or can I send it? I wouldn't say they're essential, but...
What you doing, boo? Boo! Come on, let's go.
And Dad, you were you talking? Are you my big girl? That's my big cougar. Are you my baby? Are you my baby? Are you my baby? Yeah.
BGS is very good though. As far as chambers specifically goes, the Warhammer is actually better than BGS.
Huh? 我太难了。
Good job. Yay. Good boys. Good girls. Good job. Okay.
Dagger's actually the BGS Warhammer. TOA is the only place you want to use a phone diaper. It's not good outside of TOA, really.
Here! Gus! Gus, come on! Come on!
Levels and like 300 defense, which does nothing.
Oh,
Yeah, a lot of people got misled. But that's because TOA works. It's not good outside of TOA, like anywhere.
We don't have a baby. This is our baby.
看看这小猪重点跟大猪俩干仗，这个不是他妈。哎呀，这太哎呦我的妈！